The majority of Americans are paying 50% of their paycheck toward their rent because rent prices always go up, wages don't. That's a problem in the wealthiest nation in world history. And so according to the Office of Assistant Secretary for Planning and Evaluation, these are the rates of income your household must achieve in order to qualify for federal poverty assistance. Yes, believe it or not, you have national and state supplementary programs that can help pull you temporarily out of poverty, okay? And this is probably helpful because between 1985 and 2020, so what, 45 years, rent increased by 149% while income increased 35%. That's helpful. That helps generational wealth. That saves nothing and no one. Because believe it or not, we have offers and emergency programs. If you don't know this, it's called TANF, or Temporary Assistance for Needy Families. Families of 3 received an average of $500 a month. I'm sorry, if rent increased 149%, what is $500 a month gonna really cover? Is that groceries for the month? Is that rent for the month? I don't think so. Is that just cable and electric and maybe a Netflix or two? In 2020, out of the thousands of people who filed, guess how many TANF cases were actually filed and completed? There's a 2 in it. 23%. 23% out of the countless people who lost income and livelihood from the pandemic. We need to shore up these services. We also have SNAP. It used to be called food stamps, the Supplemental Nutritional Assistance Program run by the US Department of Agriculture, the ones who tell you, you should probably drink like 5 glasses of milk and 11 servings of bread a day. Had a bowl of pasta, now I have 10 more. Thank you, grain industry. If you struggle for food, apply for SNAP. It's that easy. Assuming your local grocery store accepts EBT cards, which they have the right to refuse, and assuming your place even has fresh produce to begin with, and assuming you don't live in an urban environment that is a food desert where your only fresh food is canned ravioli at a corner bodega. Where is the nearest lunch of parsley? Get a bag of potatoes. To what? To the homeless shelter I'm in? Who's got an oven and an air fryer? Thanks.